Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So guys, there isn't any option to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once, but instead you can do it one by one. So how you do it? Just go to your profile and then go to a bit down until you find this my friend option. Now just choose your friend and then just go to manage friendship and then remove friend, so you can do it to every friend that you want. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you're gonna be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.